Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
Now, away from the Africa Union Commission elections, Nairobi County is also preparing for the battle royale as the ruling party UDA heavyweights go for the party's branch chairmanship this Friday. Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja is having sleepless nights, obviously, as he prepares to face his nemesis, Embakasi North Member of Parliament, James Gakuya, for that seat. Now, Gakuya has already threatened to lead defections from the party should the elections be marred with or by irregularities. He, however, says he is ready to take on Sakaja. And as KTN's political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki now explains, the race for Nairobi appears to be dress rehearsals for the ruling party as it prepares to hold party polls in other counties across the country.
United Democratic Alliance UDA has remained in the headlines for the wrong reasons, especially during the chaotic grassroots elections in 5 counties, including Nairobi, that saw leaders exchange harsh words. This Friday, the party delegates in Nairobi will be going to the polls to elect the party chairman in the county, and it's proving it will be a hotly contested seat, pitting Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja and his fierce rival Embakasi North MP James Gakuya.
The freedom of members and fair and free elections. Then I am finding a situation where we are going to party very soon. Because you cannot build a party that you are not part of, that you are not recognized as a shareholder.
Don't intimidate us. Don't try and intimidate. We are not intimidatable. No one can boggle us. We are unbogable.
The two have engaged in war of words over who was best suited to lead the UDA party in the capital city. Gakuya has accused the governor of compromising members of the County Assembly of Nairobi, but Sakaja claims the working relations have improved between the two arms of government in the county.
Don't think that actually anywhere in the future you are going to find any impeachment coming from, emanating from Nairobi County. It's not going to happen. It's not. Anybody who has an embedded mind will be threatened.
And in the county assembly for the last 20 months, in as much as mara moja mbili lazima, unajua kila soko haikosi mogoroki hapa mapale, si ndio? Apart from that, umesikia vile Nairobi imetulia. Kuna watu hawafurahi hiyo.
But why have the Nairobi polls elicit reactions in the ruling party? Gakuya is said to be enjoying the backing of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, while Sakaja is reported to be enjoying President William Ruto's backing. In the last couple of days, Ruto and Gachagua have engaged in a cold war. Besides the party position, both leaders are eyeing the 2027 city polls, where both leaders could be facing each other again for the gubernatorial seat currently held by Sakaja.
And the time has come. I have matured to go to another level. It's my own to decide whose position do I focus on. And I want first of all to conquer the city as the chair, so that we can have also a bargain as the capital city.
In 2027, we get a majority for the president, we get a majority, we get the senator, we get the women rep, we get MPs, and we get MCAs. Maarifa yote, resources zote, tuweke kwenu kwa chama hapa Nairobi County.
As the wars escalate, Friday will determine which faction leads Nairobi to the next elections. Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
And trust us to cover that for you on Friday. Still in politics, is Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua headed for